Good morning, guys. It's Friday and we're going to be looking at some time again. So we're going to be comparing time today. So we know that there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. That's the important thing that we need to know first. 60 seconds in 1 minute. Next one that we need to know, there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So if we know that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour, which is longer, 91 minutes or 1 hour? This is something you should be able to do quickly. If you can see that 60 minutes is equal to an hour, pause if you haven't got it yet because I'm about to tell you the answer. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour, so I know that 91 minutes must be longer than 1 hour. Next one we're going to look at. There are 24 hours in 1 day. So 60 seconds in a minute, 60 minutes in an hour, 24 hours in 1 day. So if we know that, which is longer, 2 days or 36 hours? Pause the video just so you can figure out. I'm about to tell you the answer. So for me to work this out, I know that 24 hours in 1 day, so I need to work how many hours are in 2 days. So I need to double 24. If I double 24, I'm going to double 20 first, so that gives me 40. Then I'm going to double 4, which is equal to 8. Put it together, I have 48 hours in 1 day. So 48 just above there. So I can see there that 48 hours is greater than 36 hours. So 2 days is longer than 36 hours. Next one we're going to look at. There are 7 days in 1 week. So we know 60 seconds in a minute, 60 minutes in an hour, 24 hours in a day, 7 days in 1 week. So which one's longer? 35 days or 7 weeks? Pause it now and you can figure it out, and I'm going to explain how I figure it out and get the answer. So if I know there were 7 days in 1 week, I need to figure out how many days are in 7 weeks. So for that, I need to multiply 7 by 7. And I know from my times tables that 7 multiplied by 7 is equal to 49 days. So I can see there that 7 weeks is greater than 35 days. So 7 weeks is longer than 35 days. Next one. There are 4 weeks in a month. So this can change depending on how many days are in that month, but 4 weeks on average are equal to a month. So we've got 60 seconds in 1 minute, 60 minutes in an hour, 24 hours in a day, 7 days in a week, and 4 weeks in a month. So which one is longer? 8 weeks or 1.5 months? I'll leave you with this one to figure out, so make sure you pause the video and you can have a look at that. So for me to figure this out, I'm going to figure out how many weeks are in 1.5 months. So if I know 4 weeks are in 1 month, then in half of a month, that must be equal to 2 weeks. So for me to figure out 1.5 months, I need to add 4 and 2 together, which is equal to 6. So 6 weeks is equal to 1.5 months. So I can see that 8 weeks is longer, is greater than 1.5 months. Next one that I'm going to look at. There are 12 months in 1 year. So 60 seconds in 1 minute, 60 minutes in 1 hour, 24 hours in 1 day, 7 days in a week, 4 weeks in a month, and 12 months in a year. So which one's longer? 3 years or 33 months? So think about how we figured the last lot out and how you can do this one. Make sure you've paused the video. I'm about to explain it to you. So I need to figure out how many months are in 3 years. For me to do that, I need to multiply 12 by 3. Because I'm quick with my times tables and I can count off my 3s if I wanted to, count off my 12s if I wanted to, but I know that it is equal to 36. So because I know that 36 months is equal to 3 years, I can see that 3 years is longer than 33 months. So let's just go back and recap what we've done so far. We know that there are 60 seconds in 1 minute, 60 minutes in 1 hour, 24 hours in 1 day, 7 days in 1 week, 4 weeks in a month, 12 months in 1 year. So when you go onto your My Maths work, this will help you. So you need to compare and order some different amounts of time for this one. If you're confused in any, go and rewatch the video again. And for question 2, they've got some word problems on there as well. So guys, enjoy the rest of your day, and remember that there are 2 sets of questions on your My Maths. There are still some people just doing the first question and then moving on. There's also some people that aren't doing the best that they can sometimes. So maybe they're just rushing through it and not having a good go. If you're not getting your best score the first time, have another go at it. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. See you later on.